Hello guys, this is Ken Steve right here, and today we are going to be looking at how to choose from best quality of product from China. When buying from China, some people used to say that Chinese have fake products, Chinese do this and do that, but that is a total myth. I will call that a myth because USA import from China, UK import from China, many other countries like Germany, they import from China before they also produce their own goods. So the reason why most of the Nigerians end up buying fake goods is that we like cheap things too much. We like cheap things. Like if you are talking about people that like buying cheap things, cheap and free stuffs, I will mention Nigeria as number one. I don't know whether it's because of economy or whatever. Even people that are importing in bulk, companies that import in bulk, is still the same thing. They will show them, okay, this is the price, this other one, this is the price. They will choose the lowest quality one because of the price. Most people end up importing fake products in Nigeria here is that they are always looking for the cheapest ones. So there is no way you tell a supplier to produce something of higher quality and then put it at the cheapest price. So once you are going for the cheapest price, you are just know yourself that you are going for the lowest quality. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to dive into my screen right now, and then I'm going to open my 1688 app, and I'm going to show you guys how to select from best quality products, like to avoid all these fake products of 18. Okay, so they are not actually fake, but they are substandard. Chinese basically produce goods so that it is going to suit any kind of person that is going to import. That is what economy normally allow, because we are having people who like luxurious things. We are also having people of, let me say, high class of people, and then we also have medium class of people, and then finally we have low class of individuals. So if you are producing goods as a production company, you have to produce goods that will favor these three type of people. You don't just have to produce best quality products so that people who can't afford it will not buy. No, you have to channel your production system in such a way that it will favor everybody, and that is a situation where most people end up buying goods that look as if they are fake. Okay, so without wasting time, how are you then going to select best quality product? So over my screen here, I'm going to check from my phone here, and then I will just pick a random product and show you how you're going to get that product in China with the best quality. Okay, so this is my 1688 app, and I'm going to use a picture search. Okay, so I'm going to pick this brown bag over here, and then we're going to set our example on that. Okay, so this is the search result of this very bag here. So you can see over my screen here. So if you can take a look at my screen here, there are different prices over here. So I'm going to show you the meaning of these prices that you're seeing here. So you can see here is 70.80 yuan. Here is 14 yuan. And then if you are coming back, that is how you're going to be seeing different prices. Can you see this same bag here? You can see this particular one is up to 20 yuan. Okay, why this same bag here is what? You can see 20 yuan over the left here, and they say that you should import from 3 and above. Meanwhile, this person now say 14 yuan, and then you are importing from 2 and above. That definitely means the quality of this one by the left here, this one, the quality of this very one here is more higher than the quality of this one you are seeing here. I don't know whether somebody is understanding me. So that definitely means the quality is quite different. So now if you are still coming down here, you're still going to see some other ones. You see this same bag, this one is now 13 point something yuan, and then they say you're going to import from one. These are the lowest quality ones. These are the lowest quality. You can see this is it. These are the lowest quality ones here so far. So if you are checking, you'll be surprised to see that there will be another one that will even be less than 10 yuan. You can see this is the same bag here. This is the same bag here. You can see this one here, they say 20 yuan. Can you see the difference? So these bags here, they are not of the same quality. They are different quality. As the price is different, that is how different the quality is. So for you to get best quality of this very bag here, it's either you are going to choose from the highest price or the medium price. The highest or the medium price. Like here now, if you can choose this quality here, if you can choose this type that is 17 yuan, it can still be okay. The quality will be okay. If you can still choose this one of 20 yuan here, I think this will be the best quality here so far. This will be the best quality here so far. 17 is still okay, but from all these 15 and below, they are the lowest quality. If you buy them, but obviously they are going to use the same picture. They will use the same picture to put on all the quality, so that you will not really understand if you are buying online until somebody need to explain to you, or maybe you have learned procurement before and then you know that no, this is what you are going to buy. This will be the difference. So now, how are you going to know exactly? You're going to click on any of these bag, because the price alone can sometimes be confusing. So when you click on the bag, what you're basically going to check here is the star rating of this bag. The star rating, the rating, you can see there is no review. What you are seeing here, there is no review. This is the 15 yuan on that I just choose. There is no review there. You can see here is what, 3.5 stars. So I'm using the app, so you can log into Chrome and then you navigate, you translate, and you see all I'm talking about. So you can see that one has no review. So we're going to check the one that is having 20. So some people, it's very obvious that they will see the bag that is a product that is not having any review, no feedback, no rating, but they will still go to buy. So in that case, you're going to end up with a fake or substandard product. So I'm going to click on this one that is having that the price is 20 yuan. So if I'm checking back, you can see this one is what, 4 stars. Can you see the difference? That one was not up to 4 stars. This one is now 4 stars. Okay, so you can see the clear difference, although this one too has no review, but at least the star rating is quite different. Okay, so on app, if you are using Chrome, you can translate and then you still see the years of that supply. So the first thing you consider is the pricing, the price range, or the price difference. Secondly, you check the reviews and feedback. So without wasting time, let me just explain the rest. Okay, let's check this one that is having 22 stars. 22 yuan as the price. This one too has no review, but you can see that it's having 4 stars. It's having 4 stars, unlike the other one that was not having any star. You can see the difference. Okay, so that is basically how you interpret through the star rating. Okay, so another thing you are going to consider is that of the years of the manufacturer or the supplier. Okay, years of the manufacturer or the supplier. So how are you going to know the years or the the duration of the seller on that site? So I'm going to come to my 168 here. I'm going to type 1688 on my chrome.com. So I'm going to check, I'm going to show you quickly about the years of the supplier in the business. Okay, so over here I'm going to log in. Okay, so I just logged in here. So I'm going to check the years of the supplier at any random product here to show you an example. Okay, let's say I want to buy this very heel here, this high heel slippers. Okay, so this is here. Okay, and then I'm going to translate for the sake of those people that are not familiar with this site before. Okay, so this person say the price is 30 yuan. okay, and then you're going to import from 2 pace or from 2 batch and above, and you can see this one is having ratings. What you see here is the ratings. This is the rating and this is the rating. There are about 1300 plus ratings. So you're going to click on the ratings. Okay, so if I click on the ratings, I'm going to see what people who have bought the goods, what they are saying. That is what the ratings mean. Or you can still call it the review. As they buy, what did they do? You can see most of the comments here. The quality of those shoes is absolutely nothing to say, although the heel is high, but the working is very stable. The shoe is really good. It's worth buying, and the logistic is also very fast. Could you imagine? As good as before. Okay. So these are basically all this one you are seeing evaluation party phase 2. These are people who buy but they fail to come back and put their review. You understand? So meanwhile, you can still check down and see the main reviews yourself. So that is it about the review. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is that of that review that we just checked now. It can also be called star rating. So it's very important that you check the star rating or the review. So another thing is the years of the supplier on the site. So the years of the supplier is implying that this person have been into this business for a very long time, and then since they are already very long in the business, they have stayed in the business for so long, they will definitely have experience in the system. You know, somebody who just started production today cannot be compared to somebody who has started production about 20 years ago. That is why you as a business person, when you want to employ a sales girl or maybe a sales boy or any staff at all, you are looking at somebody who has more years of experience. You understand? You don't want a newbie to come and be messing up with your shop or your goods. You understand? So the same thing here. When you are buying, you need to be checking those who have stayed on the site for so long, so that you're going to know that no, this set of people, they actually stayed for so long, so they have experience in this particular goods that they are selling. Okay, so the years are not here, so you're going to check the next page. I'm still going to pick another random product and then demonstrate it and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is another product here, and this particular one, has over 1000 reviews. They have over 1000 reviews. So now, how are we going to get the years of the supplier? Because that is very important. You don't want to be buying from somebody who just starts producing goods immediately, let me say this year or maybe 2 years back, who is here to have experience in the system. So you are going to come down and then you locate the store itself. So you can see over here where they say company information. See where they say company information, and you see this. So I'm going to click on that company information. So it is going to take me to this very store. And why buying here? If you are buying from somebody whom you have never bought before, you need to be patient and then check. You need to take time and check the store very well. When you establish your relationship with them, no, there is no problem. You can be coming to buy in a hurry. But when you are coming for the first time, make sure you take time to check the store very well. So they say they're a production company, and what they produce is women's clothing. Okay, total people working there are about 25. Storage method, they store in both cool, dry, and ventilated something. Here there are two basic things that you're going to take note. First is the date which they created the account on this website. I'm talking about the date where they started selling on this 1688 website. So you can see over here over here, that date 19th November 2021 is the date whereby they created their account on this very website. And then below here, just below where I pointed the arrow, the date below, you can see they say Changsha Oil Company was established in 2015 and is located in so that is where they were created. Okay, and the company is called what? Changsha Liaoyi Clothing Company Limited. So that is their own Chinese company name. So personally, if I'm the one, I will consider leaving the company because they have not really been up to this site for a year. So I will check another one. Okay. Talk about the star rating. We talk about the review, which is also known as the feedback, and then we talk about the price difference. And then another thing is evaluation. So on that same page, you're going to see the company evaluation of the product, the evaluation for each product. So you're going to check it, and then you consider all those things before buying any product. Please, any product that you see from 3 stars and below, avoid it. Just avoid it. If you are buying things that you're coming to use yourself, 3.5 star is okay, you can still buy for yourself. But if you are buying goods that you want to sell to people, please and please always look for 4 stars to 5 stars to avoid having problem with customers. And then ensure that that company is up to at least 3 years and above. Okay, make sure the company is at least 3 years into the production system and above. So another factor you're going to consider is what I call repurchase rate. So the repurchase rate of a product is the level by which people get satisfied after buying the product and then return to buy that product. So product with high repurchase rate means that there are high quality and good product. That is why people keep buying them over and over. So the site normally track and record such products. So when you see repurchase rate under a product and it's having very high repurchase rate, it means it is highly advisable for you to go for that product. So another thing you are still going to consider is that of the return rate. So the return rate of a product is the level by which people feel unsatisfied with the product. Please take note, the first one I say repurchase rate, and then I say people feel satisfied, and secondly I say return rate, and then I explain it as the level by which people feel unsatisfied and then they return the product. So a store whereby you are seeing, in a situation whereby you are seeing the return rate of a product as very high, more than 30, more than 25, it is highly advisable that you should check other factors very well and know the reason why people are returning that product, or if you can't trace it, just avoid such product. So these factors are very important while importing and then selecting high quality product. So this is all for today, and then next I will be dropping a video on how you are going to differentiate between manufacturers and wholesaler. So this will help you to get cheapest product so far in the market. So please, if you are new to this channel, I beg you to kindly subscribe, smash the like button, comment, and then turn on the notifications so that you get weekly updates. I will be uploading 2 to 3 times as I do before. Thank you all. I remain King Steve. If you need any information, check the description or chat me on WhatsApp on this number.